Hi, Melissa here to explain my lesson. Of course, the lesson is in language arts, specifically in parts of speech with a focus on nouns, including singular and plural nouns, and verbs. What I would like the students to learn by the end of the lesson is, of course, the definition of these parts of speech and how to combine the nouns and verbs together in sentences. The engagement activity. The teacher will tell the class that they'll be learning about these parts of speech and will ask the questions, what is a noun, what is a singular noun, what is a plural noun, and what is a verb. Through discussion, we will create definitions, and the teacher will write the definitions on the board along with the examples that we come up with together. To transition into the intro, the teacher will tell the class about that learning about parts of speech is very important and also fun, and will very enthusiastically tell the class that what else is fun and also important, it's dance. So we're going to bring parts of speech that we learned about and dancing together, and it's going to be very exciting. But first, the teacher's going to have to teach some moves. So the I do part of the lesson will be the teacher demonstrating the movements. There will be an original song written by the teacher that will bring together nouns and verbs in sentences. And the teacher will demonstrate the dance arrangements, the original dance arrangement, also created by the teacher, in portions, and discuss each portion of the dance so the students understand the significance of the movements in each dance sequence. The we do, the teacher will explain the parts of speech the teacher will explain that parts of speech and many other topics can be learned through dance and movement, and the teacher and the students will then perform the entire dance that the teacher demonstrated for the class. After the dance, the teacher will announce that there's going to be a game, and the teacher will divide up the class in two parts, and one group at a time the teacher will give either the whole group or a student from the group a noun and a verb together. For example, I'll ask a student to show me a spinning princess, and the other group will have to tell me spinning, is that the verb or a noun? Of course it's the verb. And princess, they'll have to tell me that that is the noun to show their understanding between the difference. I might ask the entire group to show me spinning princesses to demonstrate a plural noun. And then, of course, the other group will have to tell me if it's that it's a plural noun, princesses. That will be the end of that portion. So we will go on to the you do. The teacher will give them a chance before they start this to shake out their sillies and take a deep breath, and then tell them that they will now take their seat and explain to the class that it's now time to show me what they've learned on paper and doing the worksheet. So they will independently work on worksheets that is about nouns and verbs and bringing them together to create sentences. While they are working independently, the teacher will circulate the classroom to check for understanding and answer any questions they may have. The last 2 minutes of the lesson, the teacher will bring the classroom back together as a group and just ask what they thought of the lesson, and if the dancing and movement was helpful in learning, and if it helped them understand the worksheets and bringing nouns and verbs together in a sentence. That's it. Thank you.